Did you know that we have better, more detailed maps of the surface of Mars and even the Moon than we do of our own planet's ocean floor? It's a staggering thought, isn't it? Over 70% of Earth is covered by water, yet a massive 95% of that underwater world remains completely unexplored, unseen by human eyes. It's a realm of mystery, and at its very heart lies the deepest, most enigmatic place on Earth, the Mariana Trench. Let's try to wrap our heads around just how extreme this place is. The deepest part of the trench, a spot called the Challenger Deep, plunges nearly 7 miles down. If you were to take the tallest mountain on Earth, Mount Everest, and drop it into the trench, its peak would still be submerged with more than a mile of water above it. That is just mind-bogglingly deep. The pressure at the bottom is over 1,000 times what we experience at sea level. To put that in perspective, imagine 100 elephants stacked on top of you. That's the kind of crushing force we're talking about, over 8 tons per square inch. It's enough to pulverize bone and crush most metals as if they were made of paper. And yet, in this seemingly inhospitable environment of absolute darkness, near freezing temperatures and immense pressure, life doesn't just exist. It thrives in ways that defy our imagination. For a long time, scientists believed that no life could possibly survive under such conditions. But expeditions using remotely operated vehicles have sent back incredible footage that has completely rewritten our understanding of biology. One of the most fascinating discoveries is the Mariana snailfish, affectionately nicknamed the ghost fish. This creature is the king of the abyss, the deepest living fish ever found. It's almost completely transparent, with a gelatinous, tadpole-like body that has no scales. Its ghostly appearance is a clever adaptation. At these depths, having a fragile, flexible skull and a body with minimal bone structure is an advantage, allowing it to withstand the pressure that would crush other fish. It navigates the darkness, a true phantom of the deep, but the wonders don't stop there. Down in the trench, scientists have also found giant, single-celled organisms called xenophyophores. These things can grow up to 10 centimeters across, which is enormous for a single cell. They look like tiny, intricate sponges or flattened amoebas, and they create their own little structures on the seafloor. They are masters of survival, thriving in a world that would be instantly lethal to us. Then there are the hydrothermal vents, like underwater volcanoes spewing superheated, mineral-rich water. You'd think this would be the last place to find life, but it's actually a bustling metropolis for unique creatures. Here, we find giant sea snails with shells reinforced with iron, essentially wearing a suit of armor to protect themselves from both predators and the harsh environment. They don't rely on sunlight for energy like most life on Earth. Instead, they depend on chemical energy from the vents, a process called chemosynthesis. It's a completely alien ecosystem, running on rules that are fundamentally different from our sunlit world. So, why is it so hard to explore the Mariana Trench? Well, beyond the crushing pressure, it's the sheer darkness and the technical challenges of getting there. Sending humans down is incredibly risky and expensive. The submersible that first reached the bottom in 1960, the Trieste, had walls 5 inches thick, and its windows still cracked under the strain. Today, we rely on advanced, unmanned submersibles and rovers to be our eyes and ears. But even these can only explore tiny fractions of the trench at a time. It's like trying to explore the entire United States on foot with just a flashlight. This makes you wonder, what else is down there? We've only scratched the surface, quite literally. Every expedition brings back new species and new questions. Could there be creatures even larger and more bizarre than what we've already found? Are there geological formations and biological processes we can't even conceive of yet? The deep ocean is Earth's final frontier, holding secrets about the origins of life on our planet, and possibly even clues for finding life on others. What do you think is hiding in the parts of the ocean we haven't explored yet? Let your imagination run wild, and tell us your most creative ideas in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think is lurking in the deep. And if you found these facts as mind-blowing as we did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more incredible bites from FactBite Daily. Thanks for watching.